escalated the vehicle.
In the early hours of February 19, 2025, Jacksonville police initiated what seemed like a routine traffic stop, but within minutes, it escalated into a violent confrontation. One that left 22-year-old William McNeil with bruises on his face and serious questions about law enforcement. At approximately 4 p.m., officers from the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office pulled over William McNeil's gray sedan.
I don't have a window that works. Is there a reason that you're pulling me over?
Yeah, absolutely. There's a reason why I'm pulling you over. For one thing, inclement weather, you don't have your lights on. Two things, you're not wearing your seatbelt.
Take a look at the footage. It's clearly daylight, light enough that neither of the officers' own headlights were turned on, and McNeil's legal team would later argue his seatbelt claim is unprovable from the angle of the stop. So already, this reason for the traffic stop is in question.
Why did you pull me over?
35, I'm proper driver. I've already told you.
Why did you pull me over?
Step out of the vehicle.
No.
Step out of the vehicle. 25 seconds. For 9-4, the driver just slammed the door and locked it.
Oh, you're supervisor.
Yep.
After a brief back and forth, officers escalate. They draw weapons, issue several verbal warnings, and prepare to breach the car.
Under arrest for resisting.
Can you unlock the door and step out? I will. Can you step out? You're being done. There's a traffic stop being conducted. You're required to comply.
Vehicle's locked in.
Yes.
He's locked it up. He's putting the window down.
Correct.
I was trying to talk to
Huh? Okay. So what did he ask for when he I guess,
When he pulled me over, he walked up, opened my door, my window don't work, right? And then I said, so what I did wrong?
Yeah.
He said, well, for one, your headlights are off under this weather. I'm like, there's multiple people headlights off.
Okay, that's still
and then there's no rain.
It doesn't matter. You're still required to have headlights on.
Can you pull that law up?
Huh?
Can you pull that law
Yeah,
up?
when you step out of the car, I will.
Hey.
Can you call your supervisor?
Huh?
Can you call your supervisor?
All right, go for it.
Suddenly, one officer smashes a driver's side window with the baton. Glass shatters across McNeil's face. Within seconds, Officer D. Bowers reaches in and begins punching McNeil directly in the head.
Here.
1033 at 1621 hours.
What is your reason, sir? What is your reason?
Step out now. All right.
No.
Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. What's wrong with you?
What you mean? I was putting my hands behind my back. I was on.
Ain't no talking now, man. Ain't no talking.
What's going on, man?
You're under arrest. That's what's going on.
No.
Yes, bro. Yes.
That's a local reason, bro. You look on the phone like that, bro?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it off of you, bro.
And I'm just trying to have a regular conversation with y'all, bro.
That's not how it works.
When they asked me to step out of the vehicle, you should have done that shit. So your partner didn't even act.
Marijuana in his right pocket.
Yes, it is.
So why close the door if you see him pull up?
Because, man, what you mean? He talking about arresting me and stuff, but I didn't do nothing
No
wrong.
resisting, idiot.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
I don't know.
Can you back me up to the car so I can meet up? Sit up. You a boyfriend, bro.
You start rescue. 1067. Approximately 30-year-old Bravo 9. Last race.
I did.
There you go.
I know. You should put you over one.
No.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. What you need? Tissue.
You good?
Yeah, you or him? Okay.
Later, the officer's report would claim that McNeil was reaching toward a large, open, serrated knife. But watch the footage carefully. There's no visible movement toward a weapon. McNeil's hands stay near his head, protecting himself from the strikes. The knife, reportedly recovered from the center console, is never seen in motion, and his lawyers? They say the claim is fabricated, a convenient justification for what appears to be excessive force. Now here's where it gets murkier. In Officer Barrow's arrest report, he fails to mention the punches to McNeil's head. To cover up the department's case, they also threw in 1.3 ounces of marijuana in the report. Another officer admits to striking McNeil's hamstring 6 times, but only after he's already on the ground. If you're wondering why this matters, consider this. In many police departments, failing to document use of force, especially strikes to the head, is a direct violation of policy. And it begs the question, what else might be missing from this report? Despite the brutality, McNeil was not charged with a felony. He pled guilty to 2 misdemeanors, resisting an officer without violence and driving on a suspended license. As for the marijuana reportedly found in his car, that charge was never pursued. And the officers, no criminal charges were filed, but an internal investigation was launched, and Officer Bowers was stripped of police authority pending its outcome. Civil rights attorneys Ben Crump and Harry Daniels took on this case, calling it a mayhemic act of racial profiling and excessive force. Their statement reads, "This case is a disturbing reminder that even the most basic rights can be met with violence for Black Americans." And when you look at the footage, it's hard to disagree. A man asking simple questions end up bloodied and bruised, not because he posed a threat, but because he didn't get out fast enough. With the body cam footage released in this case raises questions that go beyond Jacksonville. And if this hadn't been recorded, what story would have been told? I'm not here to give you answers, but I'll always bring you the facts. If you found this breakdown informative, consider subscribing for more real stories, backed by verified footage and source reporting.